So it's a layer of electrically charged particles in the atmosphere.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Eastern Psychologist. Today we will start from question number 11 of General Geography. So let's start. Trade winds of the northern hemisphere blow from the northeast to the southwest due to Coriolis force. It's not gravitational force because it's not blowing from top to down. It's not centripetal force because there is no any central point for these kinds of winds. So the correct option is A. Which country is known as Thunderbolt of Asia? Bhutan. One of the country through which equator passes is. What is meaning by equator? Equator is a circle which divides the earth into northern and southern hemispheres. So that is one of the country is Malaysia. The depletion of ozone layer has been caused mainly by the release of chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere. Number 15. Which layer of atmosphere provides ideal condition for flying aeroplanes? That is troposphere. Now let's learn about the layers of atmosphere.
In this picture, you can see the layers of atmosphere from Earth to the space. Here are 5 layers. First one is troposphere, which is closest to the Earth. Then stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. In this picture, you can clearly see that in the first layer, that is troposphere, the aeroplanes can fly and we can see the parachutes as well. In the second layer, stratosphere, we can see the parachutes. Mesosphere, third layer, where the rockets can go and we can see the some broken stars falling down from the sky to the earth. Then the fourth layer is thermosphere, where we can see the thunderstorms. And the last one layer is exosphere, where only the satellites and spaceships can go. Now, what about the ionosphere, which was written in the options? That is not present over here. Is that the Earth's atmosphere layer?
But keep in mind, ionosphere is not a part of layers, but it exists between the layers. It reflects and modifies radio waves used for communication and navigation.
So, it's a layer of electrically charged particles in the atmosphere. The ionosphere has 3 main regions: D layer, E layer and F layer. The D region is usually formed in the upper part of the mesosphere. E region is usually formed in the lower part of the thermosphere. And finally, the F region is formed in the upper part of the thermosphere. Again, it should be noted, like the layers of the Earth's atmosphere, ionosphere regions are not considered as separate layers, but instead they are ionized regions located in the layers of the Earth's atmosphere.
Number 16. Through which one of the following countries the equator does not pass? That is Tanzania. A line on a map joining places of equal monthly or yearly rainfall is called isobar, isohet, isotherm or isoneph. The correct option is isohet. If we replace the rainfall with the pressure of air, then the correct option will be isobar. If we replace the rainfall with the same air average temperature, then its correct option will be isotherm. And if we replace the rainfall with the term same average percentage of cloudiness, then it will be changed into isoneph. So these are the meanings of these terms. 18. The earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Its speed. Here are number of options, but the correct option is greatest when it is closest to the sun. What is elliptical orbit? Elliptical orbit is an oval shape is an oval shape like this, and here is the sun, that is sun. When the earth revolves around the sun in an oval shape, and when it comes closest to the sun, then its speed become greatest. So the correct option is greatest when it is closest to the sun, because earth is revolving in an elliptical orbit, that is oval shape orbit. Here are the other options of question number 18. You can see question number 19. The origin of earth dates back to approximately 4.6 billion years. 4.6 billion years to date. Number 20. The term ecliptic is used for the sun's path in the sky during a year, because ecliptic may be the sun or the moon, but the correct option is sun's path in the sky during a year.
These were today's questions. I hope it will be beneficial for you. If you have any question, then write that down in the comment box. And don't forget to give thumbs up, share the video to the others. Maybe it will be beneficial to others as well. And don't forget to subscribe your Eastern Psychologist.